Culinary science graduates in the industry right now are probably the most valuable asset. They're really, that diplomat. They represent both the culinary aspect and they also represent the science aspect. They are very marketable right now. I know that definitely as an employer, I look for that marriage of knowledge. The scientific process that you learn in this degree is second to none. There is a vast knowledge of experience here at the campus that you can gather, whether it be from the faculty or the various programs or the speakers and lecturers that come in. Companies that would come in like Unilever or Campbell's Soup, we got to go down to their facilities. That was a lot of fun because we just got to play with the chefs and come up with new funky stuff. You get to work with equipment that very few people do, whether it be a rotary evaporator and creating your own extracts and essences of flavor. The ability to be able to spray something with an aerosolized essence of flavor and have it smell like one thing, and then when you put it in your mouth it tastes like something else. That's really cool to me because that's sensory surprise. That's why I do what I do. It was the first time Dole had ever visited the career fair. I ended up getting a fellowship position with them, which was meant to be just a 12-month placement as a contractor consultant, and I was going to be working for the corporate chef at that point. I had a little bit of hard work to prove that my knowledge was sufficient and really reliable for what Dole was looking to do in terms of innovation and moving their brand forward. And within 6 months, I got promoted to be his boss. You get very well prepared at the program here. They have the ability to go into food policy and management, research and development. They have the ability to go into becoming a private chef. You have a great foundation of knowledge. And if you love science and if you love analytical thinking, this is definitely the degree program for you. So it's a perfect marriage of both science and culinary arts. Proud to be CIA.